In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images to an AWeber email. To start, log into your AWeber account and head over to your dashboard. Once you're there, look at the menu on the left side of your screen and click on the Messages option. Here you'll see all your messages and drafted emails. If you want to edit an existing message, hover over it, click on the three dots next to it, and then select Edit Message. Otherwise, you can also create a new message by choosing the drag and drop editor. Once inside the editor, you can modify your text as needed. Decide where exactly you want to insert your image. When you've picked the spot, look to the left side menu and find the image option. Simply drag and drop it into the place you've chosen. If you'd like, you can create more space above or below by hitting Enter on the lines before or after the image block. When the image block is in place, click on the image symbol and then select Upload Image on the right side to upload an image directly from your device. Alternatively, you can browse the AWeber image gallery, which already has a variety of images ready for use. If you're uploading from your computer, click on Upload Image, select the file, and then click Open. Once your image appears, you can adjust its size by dragging the corners. On the right side of the screen, you'll also find preset size options such as Thumbnail, Optimized, or Original. Additionally, you'll see two fields here. The first is for an image link, which allows someone to be redirected if they click the image, ideal if you're using a thumbnail that leads elsewhere. The second is for image alt text, which appears if the image doesn't load. Fill these out as needed. If you want to add more images, simply repeat the process. Finally, click on Save and Exit at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's how you can easily add images to your email message in AWeber.